Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're returning, welcome back. It's great to have you guys here. Today, I am going to be unboxing the Erin Condren Fall Summer Surprise Box. It took forever to get here, so let's just jump in. So if you're new to Erin Condren and you've never gotten the surprise box before, or if you don't even know what this is, Erin Condren, I think maybe 4 times a year, comes out with a surprise box. It's $40, free shipping, and typically it's kind of like seasonal themed. I got the past 2 boxes, and you like some things and you don't like some things, but I'm excited for this one because this is what the box looks like. It is this beautiful like pumpkin pattern, and I've tried my best to not look at the sneak peeks online, and I think I saw maybe one spoiler, but that's it, so not too bad. So I'm going to go ahead and open this bad boy up. Okay, so the inside is gorgeous. It says the secret ingredient is love, and it's got like rose gold foil. It's this really pretty plum, and honestly, I love the box. I kind of want to keep it, but I don't really know what I would do with it, so I don't really know if that's possible. First thing in the top is this little kind of pamphlet. It tells you what's inside. I don't really want to look at it because I kind of want to be surprised, but it kind of describes each product, so at the end I'll probably go in here and read a little bit about everything. You open it up, it has plum tissue paper, and it looks gorgeous. Okay, so a few things we did know ahead of time. Let's see if I can find one. So this right here was a sneak peek that was released. Guys, I don't even know what this is. I'm going to be completely honest with you. It says tea towel, and I don't know, is it something you put in your kitchen? I'm guessing maybe it's for decoration. Let's see if I open it up. What does it say? It says the secret ingredient is love, and maybe it's just a kitchen towel. I probably won't use this. I mean, I don't know. I don't really use fancy towels, and I like the design. It's mid-century circles, but I don't know. It's just a towel, and I don't know. This to me is not my jam. Yeah, not a big fan. So it comes with a tea towel, and you know, this is what I always say about surprise boxes. You either really, really like it, you really, really hate it, or you're somewhere in between where you like a few things and you like and you don't like a few things. I'm typically right in there where there are a few things that I really, really like, and then a few I'm just like meh. But honestly, I keep getting them. So looks like you have a set of pens. This is the metallic marker duo, and it looks like maybe some new colors. It kind of looks like this red color and then maybe like a white. Let me see. Oh, they look like metallic. Let me see here. Let me see if I can write on here. Oh, these are interesting. I'll have to play around with these. These are like metallic markers, kind of like pen markers, but they're like thicker. I don't know. I have a lot of Erin Condren utensils, like writing utensils, so I will add these to my collection, but they're definitely different. I like the colors though, so I would say this is kind of in between for me. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so it looks like we have 2 sticker sheets. We have this pumpkin sheet right here, which I love. Like, yeah, this pumpkin one right here is perfect. It's like the pattern of the box, and I really like this. It's like rose gold, and it's got a couple words: mindful, grateful, thankful, blessed. I love this sheet. Let's see, the second sheet, it's gold foil, and it's got some mid-century circles. It's got like almost like Christmas colors to me, like this red and green. I don't know if it fits super well, and it looks like it has like a bunch of different plants on it. I don't know. I would have liked to see another sheet that was more like the pumpkin theme. I would have liked 2 sheets of some type of fall pumpkin instead of 1 pumpkin and 1 maybe Christmas themed. So this is half a hit, half a miss for me. Yeah, I really like the pumpkins. Let's see. Next up is this. I don't know if this is supposed to go with anything else in the box. I'm a little confused. It is Cupcake Liners. Guys, Cupcake Liners? I don't know. I get the whole theming of the mid-century circles. That's what it has on here is the design, but Don't you throw cupcake liners away? Don't you make cupcakes and then put the liners in them and then throw them away? So like you I don't know. I don't see the purpose of these. I mean, they're pretty, but yeah, that's not my jam. And honestly, I might throw these away. Maybe I'll give them to my mom, see if she'll use them. I don't know. That one's a miss for me. Like, hard pass. Let's see. Metal asterisk pen holder clip. Okay, so I'm going to show you a close-up of this in a second, but this is interesting. I'm not quite sure how it works. Okay, let's see if I can even get this off. All right, so it looks like it's kind of like one of those like brooch clasps almost, where you slide it on your paper, and it's got the asterisk for like the Erin Condren kind of symbol, and then it has this, oh, I don't know how to explain it. It has this stretchy part right here where you put a pen. Let me see. So you have it like this, and then I guess you put the pen in here. Oh, that's kind of interesting, and it like holds it. That's interesting. I don't know. I don't know where I would use this. It's an interesting concept, but I don't know. Verdict's out on this one. Yeah, I don't know. All right. This is the sneak peek that I saw on accident in one of the Facebook groups, and I am so excited for this. Honestly, I think maybe the whole box is worth it just for this one item. It is a holiday petite planner. So I love the holidays, like love Christmas time, love the holidays. I love having people over, and I have been looking for a holiday planner that really worked for me and my style for a while. I haven't been able to find it. And then they come out with this. Guys, this is beautiful. It is like a light gold foil with like almost like a charcoal background. And it just says holiday planning on it. And inside it has this pattern. It is beautiful. And then you can put your name in it. It has some ideas on how to use the petite planner, some checking in the beginning, and then you get like monthly spreads where you can plan out like your holidays. You have like a tradition spot. Let's see what else. Holiday gathering meal plan. Like, it is just holiday gift planner. Guys, this is like, I don't know. This is completely worth the box to me because I know that I'm going to use the crap out of this. Like, I will use this thing and I love it. Like, this is probably going to be my favorite thing in the entire box, if you can't tell. I hope they bring these to the website because obviously after this year I won't have one to use, so hopefully I can get one on the website somewhere, and hopefully if you missed out on it, they'll bring it to the website so you can get it. I would definitely look in some buy sell trade groups if you would like this, because I've seen a couple for sale on there, but this is gorgeous. Alright, looks like we're getting to the bottom. Next up is a cover. I think almost always they have covers in their boxes. I think maybe there's a couple that I heard didn't have covers, but I'm all for the covers because I collect them and I switch them out all the time. And this one is beautiful. I don't understand the color. I think maybe like an orange or like that plum in the box would have been better, but it's like rose gold flowers, like fall florals, and it's on this like sage green. I don't hate it. I actually like it, but I think that there might have been like a better color choice for like the fall box. I do think it's very pretty though, and I will definitely use it. But I think maybe they could have gone a little bit further and kind of matched the box a little bit more. I might have liked it more, but this is still definitely a win for me. All right, it looks like maybe I missed part of it. So those cupcake holders, these guys right here, it looks like they're part of a gifting set. So you get the cupcake holders, and this was in here. Cupcake gifting set. Really? Okay. I understand the holidays are coming up, but I don't know. 2 boxes, 12 cupcake liners. So there are 2 trays in here, and they each hold 6 cupcakes, it looks like, on the back, and then you have some stickers to get, I don't know. So apparently we're gifting cupcakes for holidays now. I don't know. Yeah, I don't understand this, and honestly, it'll probably go in the trash if I'm being completely frank with you. I just won't use it, so that's a miss. Last but not least, let's bring this bad boy out. Okay, so this was a sneak peek that we knew about as well. This is like a desk pad folio type thing. It's really pretty. It's got this like metallic color, so it's like a rose gold almost. And if you open it up, you have this right here. So it is like a desk pad where you have like your weekly Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So this can just like sit on your desk, and it has a sidebar here. It also can fold. Let me see if I can figure out how to fold this guy. Maybe like this. I don't know. There's a way to fold it. There we go. So you can fold it like this and it can sit on your desk. The back kind of folds like this. And it's just kind of like a weekly glance that you could use. If you want to have this maybe for work, you can just put it on your desk and write down work notes, or at home if you want kind of your plans up on your desk. This would be a great idea, honestly. I will probably put this in my kitchen, and I will put our schedule on here for my kids because it's easier for me to have this in the kitchen than like one of my planners, which might get like food on it and stuff. So I will probably end up using this. I like this. It's almost like that fake leather, like pleather type material, and it's like metallic and sheen. It's very pretty. So this is a win for me too. So I would say the things that I like the most is this desk pad and the cover. I really like the cover, and definitely this holiday planner. Like, this is the piece de resistance. This is like the crowning glory of this whole entire box. The sticker sheets, I like the stickers. I wish that they would have done 2 sheets of the pumpkin, but I do like the stickers as well. This pen loop is, the verdict's out on this one for me. I'm not really quite sure if I'll use it, how I'll use it. It's interesting, but I don't really know about it. Some of the fails for me, this cupcake gifting set, guys, is just a complete fail. Like, I don't understand it. This is not, it's not like planning related at all, and I get that sometimes they give like other things in boxes, but this to me is just a fail. Another fail for me is this tea towel. Like, I get maybe if you're into decorating, the tea towel would make sense, but tea towels for me is just, I won't use it. And maybe I'll use it as a cloth for something to wipe down. I don't know. This is a fail for me. And then the last item are these pens. I would say the pens are, they're right in the middle of the road. So not great, not horrible. They're just kind of right in the middle. I would say overall this box for me is a win because I like probably 70% of the items, and I will use probably 70% of the items. The other couple things are complete fails. I actually enjoyed this box better than I did the summer box. I used some of the things from the summer box, but this one I would say is more my cup of tea because I like the holiday related things, and it's just kind of my favorite time of the year. So let me know what you guys thought of the box if you got it. Did you love it? Did you hate it? Are you ambivalent? You just don't really care? You always get them because it's just habit? I'm really curious what your favorite item is because I absolutely love the holiday planner. That is like my favorite part of the entire thing. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you want to see more unboxings, things like this. I probably will always get a surprise box just because I like the variety of things and kind of the surprise aspect of it. So I hope you guys all have an awesome day, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.